sige. Pwede ka pa. Sige na po. Sige. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kasi medyo delikado dito.
Okay.
Sige, pagganito lang siguro. Sige. Sino ba po? Okay, sige. Alright, ready. So, ganito na lang po siguro. Dito yung iba. Dito na lang po tayo harap lahat. Ayan. So, just, wala na po dito tatapak. Okay. Alright. Then just move backward. Join with them. Yes. Alright. Yes po. Doon na po tayo. Alright, dito po. Ayan. Dito po. Ito yung pinakalinya. Yes. Alright. So, Narver, please, paano yun? Charis. Okay, so, this will be the mechanics of our game. Alright. Okay, so please listen carefully. Okay, so please arrange your group first from smallest to tallest. Mula po sa maliit. Okay. Okay, from smallest to tallest. I think you will stay at the back since you're, yes. Alright. Alright, so, again. Okay. So, instead of yes or no, okay, it should be green, white. Green, white. So when I say white, all you have to do is jump. Okay? Ito po yung pagitan. Okay? So, kung sino po magkamali, siya po ang ma-out. Ayun. Parang pag-translate. Charis. Alright, so all you have to do when I say green and white, all you have to do is to jump. Okay, so yes, we'll be like active listening. Then, alright, let's practice. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Green, green, white. See? Very good. Perfect. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. White. Kimchi. Sorry. Out si Kimchi tsaka si Kimchi. Alright, ready? Alert. 1, 2, 3. Red.
Red. Oh no, red.
Okay, green.
Red.
Green, white, green, white. Okay. Did I say red? I'm so sorry. Alright. 1, 2. Oh, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Green! 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 White! White! Okay, again, last rule. Dapat wala na pong tatapak dito, ha? Okay, your pick should be here, on the corner, okay? Yes. Don't cross the line. Charis. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, green! 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 White! White! Green! 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 Okay, thank you guys. Green! Siyempre green, oh. Ito na lang, apat na lang sila. Na? Oo. Okay. Oh, dalawa na lang. Okay, ready? Only two. Sige, baby boy, you may now take your seat na. Ay, sige, sali pa daw siya. Ano, saling cat. Saling pusa. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, green! 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 Ah! You won! Would you like to give to someone else instead your prize? Okay. So, what do you think? No. Right there. The young lady. Okay, I see. Alright, so ayun, pakibigay na lang po yung prize. Okay, next game.